Hello everyone, this is Jason the Maverick Merkel, joined here today by a team of guys. We're going to have a good time with the E-flite X-Vert. We've got new pricing for 2018. It's very exciting. It's only 20 degrees outside right now, but it's going to be very hot here inside as we heat things up with the X-Vert Challenge Race Edition. So, first and foremost, I'd like to introduce the Steve. And then we've got Ali, the suit jacket Machinchi. We've got David, the Joker Payne. And Matt, Mr. Phone Andrew. Here we go. Take your places, guys.
Can't see you.
3, 2, 1. Guys have it. X-Vert Challenge Race Edition. Good times. Get one for yourself. Get one for your friends. Set up a racetrack. Send us your video. We'd love to see it. I'm Jason Merkel, and this is the X-Vert Challenge.